Hi, I'm one of the technical trainers for the Economic Opportunity Board of Clark County. Today we will answer the question, what is a computer? The internal components of a computer system. First of all, we look at the computer unit, or the system unit, or the tower. The tower actually houses the hard drive, the video card, the processing chip, and the memory, which we will discuss later in this teaching. One of the most important components of the computer system is the monitor. The all-in-one comes with a monitor, and also the laptop comes with a monitor. But the desktop system usually comes with a keyboard and a mouse. So all the physical components of the computer hardware are this. You have the system unit or the tower, you have the monitor, you have a keyboard, a mouse, and speakers. We'll discuss these a little more in detail as we move on. This unit is important because it can be set either on the side or even on top of your computer component. This component is necessary because it's how you see the information the computer displays. It's also known as output. So it's connected to the back of the desktop system unit. The keyboard is another important tool. This tool is used to type information into the computer that is displayed on the monitor. The mouse is also very important because the mouse moves things around. You can move it on a flat surface. It generates a signal to control the position of the cursor in case you need to click on something, change something, or all this is displayed on the computer display. Speakers can be used to listen to music, movies, streamed videos, audiobooks, internet training programs, and much, much more. This is how many, but not all computers look on the inside. You have your power supply, you have your CPU, you have your expansion slots such as your HDMI ports and your USB ports and more. You also have the motherboard, you have to have that, and also your hard drive. The motherboard is the main circuit of the entire computer system. It basically makes everything in your computer work together. To say that again, it basically helps make everything in your computer work together. Microprocessor, or CPU. Usually this is what people call the computer. But this actually controls a lot of different things. The brains of the computer, which processes all the instructions, so your computer can perform all of its duties. This is the random access card, computer memory. It has the power to help you access your computer's stored memory so that you can just click on something and it automatically opens up. It doesn't have to search for it. So the more random access memory you have, the easier it is for your computer to hold on to information, and the faster it can access that information. The hard drive is the place where you store all of your important data. And some of it may not be that important, but that's where you'll store it all. Pictures, letters, documents, and all kinds of things. This is a network interface card, which you probably never ever use, but from time to time your computer technician may ask you to reach down and pull out the plug and put it back in just so you can reset your computer interface to the network, but you probably will never ever have to actually use it unless you have one on your computer at home. This is where the sound card is where you can connect an external microphone and speakers and a headphone. It allows a person to receive sound, or a personal computer to receive sound in the digital form and reproduce it through the speakers. This is called a video card. You may see this on the back of your computer also, but yours may not have these kind of connections to your monitor. You may have an HDMI port or even a video display port. So it creates electronic signals required for the monitor to process the graphics portion of a processing load. So this is where you access images on your computer. This is actually where the images come from. This powers it. empowers it and helps you to be able to see what you're displaying on a screen. Printers are also very important. They take the information you see on your screen and transfer it to paper or a hard copy, and there are many different types of computers or printers with various levels of quality. The basic types of printers are inkjet and laser. Digital scanners are also important. This is a scanner. It makes digital copies of printed documents or pictures, and it actually loads it into your computer so you can use it in any program. So you send it out to a fax or even print it with optional optical character recognition software. You can convert printed documents such as newspaper articles to text so that you can edit it in Word or in a word processor.